So you just bought a big slice of forest, but how are you going to find it? Today, I'm going to show you how to find any forest plot anywhere in Bulgaria. Okay, so first things first, pull out your deeds and find your property identification number.
Your property identification number should look like this.
So now we're going to head to the first of two websites that are going to be linked down below. First up, we have the Bulgarian land cadastre. Type in your property identification number here, press search, and voila, there's your forest. Next up, you'll need your GPS coordinates. So now we're going to the second website, which is the Bulgarian Agricultural Land Registry.
And this is how the second website looks. You can translate it into English.
And here again, you're gonna need that property identification number. So each website has a different format when it comes to entering the property identification number. And in this case, the correct format is 5 digits, a hyphen, 3 digits, another hyphen, and another 3 digits.
Enter your number in the search bar and just remember that you need to substitute the dots with hyphens, and you also need to add an additional 0 to always have 3 numbers. And then press search, and here is your forest.
Then you go to the menu bar and select the second option, which, yeah, you guessed it, it's called Coordinates Calculator. And then it's nice and easy. You get a pop-up and select Choose from Map. And in order to make it simple today, we're just going to choose somewhere in the middle of your forest. And when you're putting them in Google Maps, just remember different websites, different formats. So in this case, you'll have to substitute the commas with dots.
You're going to copy the width first, paste it, leave a little bit of space, copy the depth, paste it. And just keep in mind that you may need to substitute the commas for dots. Press search, and there is your forest.
So that was it for today. Enjoy exploring your forest. If you have any questions, pop them down below and let us know which other topics would you like us to cover in future explainer videos.